Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Matthew from TurtleX. So I am in Zostel, Munnar today. So as you can see here, I have booked my profits in the morning itself. So I have booked 83 points in Banknifty in the first 35 minutes of the market, and as you can clearly see, I have booked 41,000 rupees in the morning. So yesterday, people were criticizing me so much for the trade I have taken or the losing position that I have kept forward for the last 3 days, and as you can clearly see, I have booked a profit of 40,000 in the first 35 minutes with the 5-minute trade. So I clearly know what I am doing. And also, if you look at the orders, I have booked 83 points, and these are the orders as you can see here. So jump right into the video to understand how I have taken the trade, and also how to get to the trades without even hitting or thinking about a stop loss. So yeah, jump right into
Good morning. This is 9th June 2023, and as you can see here, Banknifty has opened on a 50-point gap, and from there it tried to move up till 44,115. Even though the first candle was broken here, but it couldn't sustain, and it started moving down to 43,975. So the first level would be 43,975, and if that is broken, then yesterday's low can also act as a good support, is what I believe. And if that is broken, then 43,795 is the next level wherein Banknifty can take a reversal. And if 795 is broken, then probably 43,500 is what I am expecting in intraday. And if that is not happening, there are two chances. One, from yesterday's low, market can go up to 44,275, provided there is good put away build up at 44,000, and there had been for good put away build up in 44,100 as well, but the range has shifted and call started dominating in 44,100 is what we can see here. So 44,975 is broken. So until the range is not broken, so initially the range was 43,975 to 44,120. Now the range towards the lower side is broken. So let's see where Banknifty is going once yesterday's low is broken, because otherwise there are chances that Banknifty can reverse from the level. So one more thing, there is this one level between 43,795 and 822 is where another reversal can also happen in Banknifty. So probably we'll see something like this as well. So for the first 1 hour, we'll see how market reacts, and then we'll get into any of the trades. There are chances Banknifty can go up from this level, so probably I'll go for a buy in 44,000 CE if at all it sustains below 44. I mean above 44,000. OI is also pretty strong, I believe. Let's see, 8 to 40. Okay, so probably it will test 44,000 and can come down. So until this candle is engulfed, we don't have a view. So anyways, we'll go for a buy with 500 quantities at this level if it sustains. Yeah. We have bought the position, taken order at 288.38. We'll just wait for some time and immediately scalp and get out of the position, because I am going out to do something now. Exactly as I said, Banknifty has reversed from the yesterday's low. We are already at a profit of about 10k. We'll see. So now you know if I know trading or not. So we are at a profit of about 30,000, 26 to 30,000. So we'll probably book our profits around this level itself. Yeah, because it has reached the resistance, and if the day high is broken, then we'll see a further fly up to maybe 44,275. We'll just wait and see where Banknifty is going. The powerful to move towards the upside is what we can see here. Now the premium will move like very slowly. We'll just wait for some time, or there can be a reversal which can happen like this. So we'll just wait for a few seconds and square off our positions. Morning has been fruitful, I believe. So until the next candle is going to be bullish. Every stops is eroding some premium. We'll get out before the next candle. So it's just with 500 quantities, okay? Just 500 quantities. Oh, the next candle is open and it's going up. So we'll just wait for some time and book our positions accordingly. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. Yes. Let's sell off our positions. So we have booked 41,516 in the first 35 minutes in the market. We have squared off our position at 071. It is going up for sure, but I have some thing to be completed today. So probably I'll just see what is going to happen with the market, and I won't be trading further because I'm done for the day, done and dusted for the day. And also the capital which was deployed for this trade was just 1,44,000, and I have made more than 14, 28, yeah, more than 30% of the capital. So the trade which I've the trade which I've executed yesterday has already been justified, as what I believe. Yeah, we have booked 41,000 rupees, and this is how Banknifty is, and this is one small resistance where Banknifty can take a stop, and exactly as I said, it is reacting in such a. And if Banknifty is further moving up, then that's it. So the importance levels that we have to see is, so exactly as I said, Bank Nifty has fallen from this level, or even if I'm not expanding this, we can see that Bank Nifty has taken a resistance at the consolidation area of yesterday, and if that is broken, then we'll see 44,275, and then 275, and then between 44,340 to 44,415 is where we'll see a resistance again, and the next one would be yesterday's high, and if it is going down, 44,100 should be broken for Bank Nifty to further come down, and if that is broken, 43,971, 795. So now you know the power of price action and the power of levels that I have clearly plotted, and none of it has been modified in the last 1 to 1.5 weeks. So this is what you can see here clearly. So yeah, that's all.